Nikopolov has been in the landscaping market since 2007. Nikopolov is a federal chain. Today, the company includes more than 70 branches in Russia. It has a staff of over 300 employees. The company has more than 1,200 realized objects and satisfied customers on its account. Ordering an irrigation system in our company, you will forever forget what is hoses, watering cans, spoiled grass. You will save a lot of time and you won't waste it. We work with a variety of objects ranging from 1 square meter to hectares. The list of our clients includes objects of various complexity, such as private homes, cottage settlements, municipal facilities, various hotel complexes and recreation centers, multi-story developments, soccer fields and stadiums. Once the facility is realized, the irrigation system requires attention. This is the preservation of the system for the winter and depreservation in the spring, as well as monitoring during the season. We have an in-house service department that will resolve all these issues and oversee it all for you. When you start working with us, you only pay for the equipment according to the contract. The rest of the payment is due only upon completion of the work. Call now or leave a request on our website and get the project for free. Spend time on yourself and your family.